So first I'll connect this LED on breadboard, identify the positive and negative pins and insert it into the holes of the breadboard. And now I'll use this 220 ohm resistance to connect it to the positive pin of LED. You need to bend this resistance from each side to place it easily on breadboard. So okay, it's done. And now I'll connect this LED to the Arduino, and I'll use the pin number 3, the digital pin number 3 of the Arduino to connect it to the positive of LED through this 220 ohm resistance. So just need to do this. And now I'll connect the other pin, the negative pin of this LED, to the ground pin of our Arduino. You can use any ground pin of Arduino to connect it with the negative of this LED. So it's done. Now I'll connect this potentiometer to our circuit. So just insert these three pins on the breadboard. So just press it, and now I'll connect this potentiometer middle end pin, that is the variable end, to the V in pin of this Arduino, that is analog, that is input voltage of the Arduino. So connect V into the variable end, and I'm now going to connect the other two ends to 5 volt and ground pin respectively. So let me connect this one end to the 5 volt of the Arduino pin, just like this, and so it's done. And now I'll connect the other one to the ground pin of the Arduino, just to make it ground. Just connect it. Okay, let me do this. So now it's connected. So it's simple connections